is to include only domestic tour operators or agents, or you are also trying to include some inbound operators and agents? Or is it for everyone and anyone?
I would answer that. See, there was a time when we used to have this categorization of people doing domestic were doing domestic only, or inbound people were doing, they were confined to the inbound. But now time has changed. The same operator doing domestic, inbound, outbound, because it is a D2C market now. It's no longer, I think, confined to one segment. Everyone is trying their hands into different fields. Now it's one tourism. So, like our name suggests, global. So our reach will be global. We'll try to include everyone who is into tourism, and we would also like to invite the expertise from the all over the world, wherever we can have it. Like there was a question about technology. So we'll try to take the help from the people, and there are a lot of people who are generally wants to help the industry. So we'll take the help from them, and we'll make it global. So it will not be confined to any particular segment.
Any other questions from media? The mic is also open for the members if they want to ask anything from the committee.
नमस्कार। सर्वप्रथम राजेश आगर जी और उनकी टीम को बहुत बहुत हार्दिक बधाई, हार्दिक अभिनंदन कि उन्होंने इस एसोसिएशन का एक गठन किया और उसको आगे लेके चल रहे हैं। मेरा नाम दिनेश कुमार है, अभी मेरी कंपनी का नाम इंटर एयरविंग्स है एंड आई एम ऑल्सो सेक्रेटरी फॉर टाफी नॉर्दर्न इंडिया। तो मैं यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ राजेश जी से और सुप्रीम से कि अभी इस समय हमारे ट्रैवल में बहुत सारी एसोसिएशन आ गई हैं, आपने एक नई एसोसिएशन बनाई, तो आप कैसे देखते हो कि आपका एज क्या होगा? व्हाट विल बी द एज और ओवर द अदर एसोसिएशंस?
सर ये ना पूरी टीम का बड़ा फेवरेट क्वेश्चन है।
मुझे पता था कि ऐसा क्वेश्चन आएगा, तो मैंने इसीलिए पूछना इसको मुनासिब समझा।
अगर आप अलाउ करेंगे तो हम सब लोग आंसर करना चाहेंगे।
I will be very happy. This is the question which is everybody is thinking on the same lines. So I think एक तरफ सबका एक सामूहिक प्रश्न मैंने पूछ लिया आपसे।
Sir, the first word is global, which means we, welcome inbound, outbound, domestic, everyone. Second word is professionals. In regular, what is going for last 20 years in association, one has to official representative of a company to become a member. Supposedly there is a XYZ company, probably a stock listed company, and there is a professional who has got a 20 years of experience. He wants to join an association, do networking, grow himself. But the parent company will not allow him to be a part of association as a signatory. He is not allowed to take any decision, participate in voting, or do any presentation directly for that company. So we have included a professional membership also, where the person can individually prove that he is a part of a hospitality business working in XYZ company, and he will need not put any documentation of company. No NOC is required, no approval is required. The only thing which is required is an experience certificate or a salary slip. We are very open. A person should be a professional. So we want to include all those multi-billionaire company employees also. Second, we will start from a very initial seed, which is a student. Once a student enrolls in any of the hospitality stream, we are welcoming them to be a member with a very small amount of fees, and they will remain a member till they complete their education. So from day one, they will be aware of what is something, what is OTM, what is B2B business, how cruise work, how airline tickets actually work. So we want them to connect to us from very early, so that once they complete their 3-4 years, they get some insight of industry from experts, from the team, from the members also, and gradually when they want employment, they'll be looking at us. So we'll be having a first hand on campus because we'll be already interacting with them, giving them, training sessions, asking them questionnaires, interaction. So ice breaking has already happened. So we will be in a better position to advise them as well as our members where you can get, a good placement. The purpose is to have a long-term placement rather a person joining a company just after interview and changing it every 2 months because he is not made for that particular travel agency. Maybe he's not made for ticketing, maybe he's not made for hotel booking, maybe he's more into outbound. So getting a first-hand information, getting a database of us already, as well as interacting their teachers will make us in a much better position to have a fruitful placement.
I think Pranavji has given you the brief detail, but I will add one more thing. This is a member-centric also.
Sir, I have a small example. During COVID, what we noticed, there were a lot of associations trying to get some help from the government. And I remember the incident. ITO did very good job in terms of highlighting the things. There were a lot of individuals also, put in a lot of effort to highlight the plight of the, tour operator, tourism sector. And it was not about companies. It was about the employees also. Employers still had some sort of backer, but employee did. So we will try to address that also by enrolling the, professionals. Now, if you go to government, what happened when we went to, like as ITO went to government, they were told, how many numbers you have. As a company, DOT approval, how many agents you have. We know the numbers. Government won't bother, they need numbers. So here, if we start enrolling professionals, if we start identifying these people, they have their own identity, and we put these numbers to the government, I think things will change. And I would like to add, it's a small, we are an infant now. So one thing we can assure you, we are thinking mind. We want good suggestions. We are open to suggestions. We'll try and explore whatever best we can give back to the tourism. We have had a lot of success through this tourism. We have lived our life on it. So it's a time to give back to the tourism, to the society. So we are open to the suggestions, and we'll try to include whatever possible for the benefit of the tourism. Thank you.
Great, thank you.
And I will add one more point in this. We'll focus more on the training part also. For all the members will be a member of our association, we'll add more of the practical trainings for them.
That's a very good point.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sandeep Shaw. My question I'll address you in Hindi. Association का मतलब होता है संगठन. हम लोग यहाँ पे इकट्ठित हुए हैं यहाँ पे संगठन के लिए. संगठन खाली हम लोग का वेंडर्स या सप्लायर का नहीं है, हमारे बायर्स के भी हैं. तो हम लोग के एसोसिएशन में हम लोग बायर्स को भी ऑल इंक्लूसिव लेंगे. आज कॉर्पोरेट क्यों बदलता है अपने ट्रैवल एजेंट्स को? क्योंकि उसको उधार मिलता है या उसको क्रेडिट मिलता है. Can I have the list of, can you all please raise your hands who are dealing with corporates and you are giving credits to them besides the BSP credit out here? I can see a couple of them, but the question is, none of us can expand more beyond a point. So it's important for us to educate even those corporates. You cannot keep changing every 3 months, 6 months, 9 months to another vendor to do that. So our association is built upon to take an all inclusive, embracing the thing, including the buyers and the vendors to form a straight line strategy. That's what we aim to do. I hope that answers the question.
Any other questions?
Are you also in touch with some tourism boards also?
Sir, we have just started. We are just gathering numbers. We are taking feedback from the initial members. If you see our certificates, it is a bit different from other associations. Supposedly with all association, it says your membership is from this year to this year. Our certificate says your membership is valid from this year. After 5 years, we will not be issuing you certificate every year, but you'll be very proud to have a certificate which says membership valid from 2024. So that you also remember that it's been 5 years of association. If you are into B2C market or you do corporate, you can highlight that I've been a part of this association for XYZ years. So gradually, yes, tourism definitely we need assistance and we need support of tourism. to support our members. So everything which we get will definitely pass on to the members, be it a first-hand information or be it an incentive from any of the government. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Any other questions?
Sir, have you framed the rules and regulations?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely. Yes.
And a roadmap for.
Definitely, we are working on it.
Where we are flexible also.
Format bylaws, MOA also. But we are open to suggestions and we are ready to take on your suggestions to build means. Our association means मैंने हिंदी में बोला संगठन आपके सुझाव हमारे सुझाव को लेके लाइन में चलते हैं.
Do you have any other questions? Okay, thank you so much for interacting with us. Now I would like to welcome all the team members of CAB Association for a media photograph. Pratibha ma'am, Shrishta ma'am, Babita ma'am, please join us on the stage.
Ma'am, excuse me. Yes, sir, this side.
Thank you so much. Please give a big round of applause for our team. Now I would request Ms. Geeta Maheshwari to give a vote of thanks to our press.
Good evening all. On behalf of GAEHP, I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to each one of you for joining us in this event. Today has been a celebration of growth, collaboration and shared vision. We have welcomed new members, acknowledged the contribution of key individuals in the industry and share our objective and aspiration for the future. None of this would have been possible without your support, enthusiasm and belief in GAEHP's mission. A special thank you for our esteemed press members. Thank you for amplifying our message and for your individual role in bringing attention to our initiatives. As we move forward, let's continue to work together to build a brighter, more innovative future for our industry. Thank you once again for making this event such a resounding success. Thank
Thank you, Ms. Geeta. Now, I would request Mr. Rajesh Iyer to give the welcome note, and I would request Mr. Rajat Sahani, Mr. Dinesh Kumar, Mr. Raghuveer Kumar, Ms. Kainat Kazi, Ms. Babita Sharma to join us on the stage for light lamping ceremony. Please give a big round of applause, everyone. I would also request Ms. Poonam to join us from Patna.
थोड़ा सा इधर हो जाए, थोड़ा सा बेटा, हेलो
Yeah, ma'am. That's it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Now I would request you all to please take the seat on the stage. I would also like to welcome Poonam ji from PATA. Please give a big round of applause for her, everyone. And I would request you all to join us on the seat on the stage.
यहाँ कौन नहीं है?